Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create the 0.5 selfie image on Higgsfield AI. And if this is your first time of hearing about Higgsfield AI, it's an AI platform that allows you to create mind-blowing, visually stunning and amazing effects on the platform. So all you have to do to create this 0.5 selfie is to log into your account on this website higgsfield.ai. Click on the Higgsfield Soul section, scroll and choose the 0.5 selfie option. You will be brought to a page similar to what I have displayed on my screen. So on this page you can see the samples of images created using this effect. So we can see how it appears, and there's a brief description: front cam, half body, mirror or not, unfiltered fits, and real life light, effortlessly authentic. So you can click on generate from this area and then proceed to input your prompt here. And if you have a character you want to emulate, you can click on this and you can also change it from there. So you can change the aspect ratio in this area. So once you change the aspect, you can change it to 16 by 9, 9 by 16, or any of the aspect ratio that suits you. Then you can change this resolution to high or low. So depending on your credit usage, you may want to switch this to basic. Basic gives you allows you to generate an image for just one credit. This should change now, so we can see just one credit. While if you want a higher quality, you can go for the high one, and then you'll be paying with 2 credits. And Higgsfield AI gives you 5 credits per day for your generation. It means you have 5 free generations per day, especially if you're using the free account. Premium users can generate multiple images at once. So that's how to generate the image, guys. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you, and do have a great day.